This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prioritizing high-value targets and preparing your outreach. Audit existing backlinks to know what to keep and what to disavow, then compile a list of 20 niche-relevant sites by domain authority and relevance. Next, create 3 tailored pitch templates and 1 clear value exchange, guest post, resource contribution, or data share, so you can start outreach immediately. Once done, batch contact prospects in groups of 5 to test messaging and refine your approach based on initial replies. Now focus on execution. Personalize each outreach by referencing a recent post or an editorial gap and explain how your content fills that need. Offer concrete deliverables, proposed headline, word count, target keyword, and suggested internal links, so editors can say yes quickly. Send follow-ups at 4 and 10 days if no reply, and log every interaction in a spreadsheet or CRM with status tags. Make sure to adapt pitches based on response patterns. The small tweaks will raise your acceptance rate significantly. Finish by confirming placements and capturing the live URL anchor text and whether the link is Dofolo, then add the link to your master tracker. Monitor each link at 7, 30, and 90 days for status and retention, and check referral traffic and ranking impact. If links are missing or removed, first contact the editor politely. If no resolution, repurpose the content for another target or use broken link replacement and Harrow to recover momentum. Troubleshooting tip: if many links fail, reevaluate pitch fit and quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.